we're going to see how to make a cheesy pasta with a cream cheese sauce. So this is one of the world's favorite Italian dish. They call it as pasta alfredo or pasta alfarno. Hello everyone, this is me Hafiz. Welcome back to Passionate Cooking with Chef Hafiz. Let's begin to see the process how to make a cheesy cream sauce along with a pasta.
Let's begin to see the ingredients: all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, milk, fresh cream, salt, and then parmesan cheese. Let's make a white sauce with the help of these ingredients. Melt the batter on the pan slowly. Then I'm gonna add all-purpose flour. The ratio is supposed to 1:1:10, which means 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 10 tablespoon of milk. So once the butter has been melted, add flour. Just cook the flour without turning the color. Once the flour has been cooked, now I'm going to add milk. Add the milk gradually, little by little, to avoid the lumps. Once the milk has been added, allow to cook. Your sauce will become thickener. Now I'm going to add nutmeg. Nutmeg gives a nice flavor, and I'm adding a salt as well along with it. The nutmeg is an optional. If you wanted to avoid, you can avoid it, but this nutmeg gives a nice flavor to one white sauce.
Now your base sauce is ready, the cream sauce is ready. Still I haven't added the cheese and the cream in it. So I'm going to keep it aside, let the sauce get cooked in a simmer. So parallelly I'm going to do water for pasta blanching.
Let's have a water to boil the pasta. Now I'm going to season the water with salt, which ensure the pasta will eventually get the salt while you're cooking it up. Along with that, I'm going to add a little bit of oil to avoid sticking.
Boiling the pasta, you read the instructions which is given behind the packet. How many minutes the pasta has to get blanched. Once the pasta has been added, just give a quick stir, so which helps the pasta sticks will not stick each other.
If you like the video, give a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe and click bell icon and press all button for all upcoming videos.
So the pasta is cooked. Now it's time to strain.
Just wanted to give a quick tip out here. After straining the pasta, don't take it through or don't put any ice water or chilled water or tap water. Leave the pasta in a room temperature to cool it down.
So once the pasta is being strained, directly get into the sauce. Now I'm adding a good amount of fresh cream. A quick note, the Italian doesn't like the pasta with too much of sauce in it. Just have a limited quantity of sauce which is stirred. When the pasta has been added, just add a bit of soft butter. Just turn off the flame, then grate some good amount of parmesan cheese.
In case if you don't have a parmesan cheese, try using a cheddar cheese or else an processed cheese.
Just give a quick stir and check the seasoning. It's so perfect. Pasta has cooked really well. It has a good amount of cheese. It has good amount of cream in it. Your pasta is done. Now I'm going to quickly transfer it to a serving bowl. And grate some cheese over it. garnish with the basil leaves. Your creamy and cheesy pasta is done. Just ready to lip smack the dish. You're gonna really enjoy. Try it at your home, share your feedback and comments.